Crypto enthusiast, welcome back to another new video. Today's video is going to have a lot of information for you all. If you are active on Pi Network, then you should not mind, because in this video, I am going to tell you about the latest process of KYC. You know your customer in Pi Network. Guys, please make sure you watch my video to the end and share it. Drop Pi Network to the moon in the comment box. I will demonstrate the entire process step-by-step live for you. And I will also tell you about the mistakes you should avoid while doing KU. So without skipping the video, let's go through this important video for today. Let's start, all right? Before doing KYC, one thing you must do is complete your Pi account verification with your mobile number. If you are eligible for KYC, then you can also complete KYC through another method. For that, you simply have to click on the 3 lines in the top right corner of the Pi application and then click on the Pi browser. After that, click on Sign into Pi browser. As soon as you click on Sign into Pi browser, you will be directed to the Pi browser application, where you simply need to install and open the Pi browser. As soon as you open the Pi browser, you will see a dashboard like this. Here, you need to select the option for KIC and click on KIC. After clicking on KIC, if you are eligible for KIC, you will see a page like this where you can start the KIC process. And if the message KIC slot not available is showing here, it means you are not eligible for KU.C at the moment. You have to keep mining until you are eligible for KUUIC slots in the future. If you're new to mining Pi Network, then you have to mine for a minimum of 30 days in the network to be eligible for KUIC. All right, assuming you are eligible for KUIC, and that's why you're watching this video. Let's go step by step to learn how to complete KUIC. All right, so open the Pi browser and click on KIC, or directly when the KIC pop-up comes in the Pi Network application, click on Go to KYC. Then you will see a page like this in front of you. First, you have to select the country, so click on it and search for India in the search bar. Scroll down and you will find India. If you are from India, then select India. If you are from another country, then select your country. After selecting your country, you have to select your ID card. When you click on options like a D card, driving license, PAN card, and passport will appear. You have to select the ID card in which your details are 100 correct and your photo is clear. Usually everyone uses their ID card. So if the details are like correct in your ID card, then select ID card. After selecting ID card, you will see 3 terms and conditions here. You have to tick all 3 boxes. Before ticking, you can also read these terms and conditions. One thing I'll tell you is that if you are above 18 years of age, only then you will be able to complete KIC. All right, after ticking all 3 terms and conditions, click on Let's Go. Then a page like this will open where the process of what you need to complete for KIC will be shown you. Because I'm also going to show you live. I'll tell you first that you have to upload your ID card photo where all the details are correct. After that, a form will appear where you have to manually fill in all the details. Whatever details you fill in should be the same details as on your ID card. After that, you have to do identity confirmation, meaning you have to do face verification. After completing all these processes, some amount will be deducted from your wallet. Now, I'm going to show you all these processes live. You have to watch carefully and complete the KIC process properly, and you have to try to complete KIC within 5 minutes. If the time is a little longer, then it's okay, but you have to complete the KUILI. The process very carefully, because even if you make a little mistake, your KUSC result may be pending. All right, as soon as you click on next, a page like this will appear in front of you. As I mentioned earlier, first you have to upload your ID card photo. Instructions are also given on how to upload your photo. When you upload the photo, you have to rotate your phone because you have to click the photo in landscape mode. When you click on the photo, the lighting should be good and the data should be clear and visible. And your full photo should come in the camera very clearly. You have to upload your ID card photo properly. All right, to upload the photo, simply click on I'm ready. Then you will be asked for permission. Simply allow it. Then a page like this will appear where you have to upload both your front and back photos. To upload the front photo, simply click on Add Front Photo. Then your camera will open. And in the same way, you have to click the photo in landscape mode. Because of privacy reasons, I have blurred it, and you will get a capture button below. Click on it, and your photo will be captured. After the photo is captured, you have to see it carefully that all the details on your ID card and your photo are clear. If the details are clear in your ID card, then click on Add Back Photo again. Your camera will open, and you have to upload the back photo of your AD card in the same way. If the photo is not clear, then you can delete it here by clicking on the delete icon and clicking again. So you can see here, we've also uploaded our back photo. The script you provided is a set of instructions for completing a form or a registration process. After uploading, you have to click on the next step. Click on the next step after clicking. After clicking on the next step, a page like this will appear in front of you. You have to fill in your basic details such as name, address, etc. And make sure that the details you fill in here should be the same details as on your ID card. First, you have to enter your name here. You have the option of first name, middle name, and last name. If your name does not have a middle name, then you will only enter the first name and last name, for example. If your name is Rajay Simone, then you have to enter Raji in the first name and Yadav in the last name, okay? And if your name is Rajay Simone, i.e., if you also have a middle name, then you have to enter Rajay in the first name, Simone in the middle name, and Kent in the last name. After that, you have to select gender. When you click on gender, the option of male and female will appear. Select the option, then you have to enter the date of birth. The date of birth that is in your Aadhaar card or whatever document you have uploaded, you have to enter the same date of birth here. After entering the date of birth, you have to select the document ID number. Suppose you have selected the ID card, then below the ID card, the serial number of the ID card will appear. Okay, you have to fill in the document ID number here properly. After that, you get the option of expiry date, as we all know.
Right.
D card does not have any expiry. After putting a tick in the box, you have to select the country of residence. I'm from India, so I select India. After that, you have to fill in your address here. Here you get two options, address line 1 and address line 2. Address line 2 is optional. C, whatever address is visible on the backside of your document, you have to fill in the same here. If there is a spelling mistake in the address on the backside of your document, then you have to fill in that mistake. That means exactly the same as it is. You have to fill in the address here. After filling in the address, you have to select the city here. So enter the city you belong to. After that, you have to select the state. So enter the state you belong to. And finally, you have to enter the PIN code or postal code. After entering the PIN code, you have to click on the next step. One thing I want to tell you is that whatever languages are on your document, you have to fill in all the details in the same language. If all the details on the document are in English, then you have to fill in English. And if they are in Hindi, then you have to fill in Hindi. After filling in all details properly, you have to click on the next step. After clicking on the next step, the page of identity verification will open. Basically, you have to take a selfie and smile so that your face is verified. Before face verification, you have to pay attention to a few things, like the lighting should be good when you verify your face. The light should be good there, and the circle that is created, your face should be completely visible in that circle. Along with that, you should not wear any mask or glasses while capturing the selfie. Okay, so simply you have to click on I'm ready. Then a permission will be asked for liveness. Simply start recording. Click on start recording. When you click on the start recording link, the camera will open for you and a circle will be created. You have to basically keep your face in that circle. When you keep it in the circle, you have to look at the camera here. Then a time countdown will come here, 3, 2, and your selfie will be clicked. After that, a video is also recorded. So simply you have to look at the camera and smile. As soon as you smile, your video will also be clicked automatically. Okay, after the video capture, you get a page like this in front of you. You get to see all the details that you have filled in manually. You can scroll down to see all of them. You have to verify all the details properly and click on next. After clicking on next, you will see a page like this. Whatever D card you have uploaded, the photo will be displayed here. If you scroll down a bit in this page, you will see the photo of the document in your selfie photo. You have to check whether both are clear or not. If everything is clear, then you need to click on the submit and pay button. Once you do that, a final confirmation will appear. If you think you've made any mistakes, you can click on no, I want to edit to make changes. If you believe all the details are filled correctly, you should click on yes, data is accurate. When you click on data is accurate, a confirmation message will appear indicating that you have successfully submitted the KYC application. Below, you can click on check status to see if your KYC result has been approved or not. Currently, you can see that the progress is being displayed because we have just completed the KYC usually. It takes 3 to 4 days for KYC results to be either approved or pending. You check if it's approved or not by simply opening your browser and clicking on the KYC option. When you click on the KYC service option, you'll see whether your KYC is passed. If it shows review in progress, it means it's pending. And if it shows pass, it means your KYC is successfully completed. After completion, your KYC will be marked as complete. All right, so we wait for 3 days to see when our KYC is completed. You can see on the screen that your KYC has successfully passed within just 2 days. During KYC, you need to pay attention to several things. I've already made a video about this, and you can find it in the description below. Be sure to watch it before completing your KYC. If your KYC result is pending for a considerable time, you can find reasons and more information in the video description. All right, guys, I hope this video was helpful for you, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching my video. Keep supporting my channel. See you all in my next video.